The 2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, moonroof, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.